Okay, so this wig is from Friday Night Hair. It is the GLS40 wig in the color 1B. It is 24 inches long. Yes, it's synthetic wig, and it's a lace front wig. So lace in the front, tracks in the back. I bought this hair. It cost $49.99 on the website, and with shipping it costs $55.98, which is a really good price because in the beauty supply stores near where I live and the styles I like, the wigs usually cost from $40 to $70, $80. Yes, for synthetic wigs. I usually go and buy my wigs online anyway, so it was really convenient for me to buy this wig. Shipping was really quick. I ordered it on Sunday and it came on Wednesday, so about 2 days shipping. Yeah, 2 days shipping, which is like really good and awesome. I got my tracking number fast. Like everything was pretty much smooth and perfect. The wig was actually, let me show you what the wig came in. So when I came home, like I seen a package and I saw this. I'm like, I was thinking like this could not be my wig, like, cause usually, you know, wigs come in like a more of a box type, like a package type, versus like this envelope type. So I was a little bit worried, like what the hell did they send me, like is this the right thing? But when I pulled it out, everything was normal. It basically came in a plastic bag, like that all like synthetic wigs come in, that plastic bag with the clip, and it came in a net and everything. And it also had like these instructions attached to it. Basically it shows like, it has like a statement in here about the hair. It has like their contact information like all over, so you can never say you couldn't get in touch, and you could never say that you couldn't get in contact with them. But yeah, like I really like this hair. I was really surprised, like when I put it on, the hairline looks really nice. Even though it's very full, it's still very natural. Like all you have to do is like pull out some baby hairs and it'll look good. Very different from like beauty supply stores that you buy in the store, like from these big companies like Outre, Bobby Boss, all these other companies. Usually like it's so full, like it looks crazy. But this, like, you really don't have to do anything. That's the one thing I was worried about, was am I gonna have to pluck this hair? Am I gonna have to do a whole bunch of things to it? But no, I didn't have to do that, so I'm very happy. The hair, it feels like synthetic hair. It feels okay. It does get a little bit tangled up over time, like you see, like it's kind of tangled, but just get a paddle brush and brush it out and they'll be fine. I did get quite a bit of shedding. I don't really care because I don't care about that. Like it's not like I paid hundreds of dollars for this hair. It's not like I'm gonna be wearing this hair every day. But if you are gonna wear this hair often, this shedding might be a little bit of a problem for you. Yeah, for synthetic hair I feel like there shouldn't be so much shedding, so why is there? I cut out the lace. I just added some baby hairs in the front. And I wore it in this style because I'm just so tired of wearing my hair in middle parts and side parts. Like there must be other styles to do. So I just decided to do this little half up, half down style. I was going to put it in a bun, but I kind of like the way it looks like this. Yeah, I feel like this is like super duper cute. I really think it just looks natural. This is like their body wave-ish texture. And they have another wave like this that I was going to get, but it was just really long. Like super duper long, and like long hair to me just equals tangles and matting, so I was like, no, I'm gonna pass on that. But yeah, I like this hair. I think it looks real cute. Like me, I don't wear as synthetic wigs as much outside as I used to, probably because I have wigs, human hair wigs, that are much more convenient and I could do more with, whereas synthetic hair, like once it gets bad, it gets bad. So yeah, I feel like this wig is cute if you just want to pop it on one day. I don't really have much to say about this hair other than that, so I guess this will be a really quick video. I am definitely going to try out some more Friday night hair because I feel like sometimes I just want a synthetic wig just to wear sometimes. I like buying wigs. Like that's my thing. I buy wigs and I buy makeup. So some days I just feel like buying a wig. I can go on Friday night hair and just buy one. And they're all pretty much around the same price. I think the highest price I saw was like $60. But like I said, with shipping it's going to be like $65. So it's never really breaking your bank. But yeah, that's really it. I like this hair. I would give it a 5 out of 5. Only thing I don't like is the shedding. But like I said, I don't care about shedding. so it's not really that much of a problem for me. If you want to see more wig reviews like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you can see whenever I post, because you know, synthetic wig reviews is my thing. So this is where you come to get it. So yeah, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all that. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all those things, so you can see when I post, when I get new hair, all that stuff. Yeah, so that's about it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.